My name is Tharindu Sandaruwan. I am from Sri Lanka. I am 29 years old. I applied to aircraft cleaner. I'm a hard worker. I'm confident and very communicative person. My work experience is I have 2 years experience in HEMAS logistics, and I have 3 years experience in Global Star Logistics, and I have 2 years experience in, as a warehouse supervisor in St. Anthony's Group. My qualifications is I have passed ordinary level in Sri Lanka 2009, and I have attended GCA level exam in 2012. Skill is I have good communication skills and loading, unloading, and SAP system, and attending to details, customer service. So thank you for watching my video resume. It will be highly appreciated to consider my applications. I am really looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.